Hi, my name is Carol Versalino, and I'm the co-founder of Oak City Labs. And today we're going to talk about the top 3 programming languages in 2021 and discuss their benefits. And so we're going to start off first with JavaScript, which is widely used, and we'll talk about Python. And then we're going to talk about Swift, which may not have shown up originally, but if you're interested in hearing more about these 3 programming languages, stay tuned. All right, so if you're new to the programming world, then make sure this video is used in conjunction with some of our other videos on how to choose a programming language that best fits your software project. We'll leave links below in the description so you can learn some more, but let's get started with programming languages. All right, so first, I mentioned JavaScript. So JavaScript is widely used because it was first used for a front-end programming language. And what that means is it's used to render the very first thing that your eyes see when you go to a web page. And it also began being used on the back end as well, which is all that code on the back that tells the server what to do. And it was really facilitated by Google in trying to help people learn more software development. And so that's why it's a top pick for 2021. Next up, we have Python. So Python has been around for a long time, but it is widely used for statistics and science and pretty much anything. You can spin up a website really quickly with Python, and you can do a whole lot of complex things on the back end, especially for complex apps. So, and it continues to grow because of interest in data science and analytics. And so that's why it's our second top pick for 2021. And finally, we're going to talk about Swift. And if you Google top languages for 2021, Swift may be a little bit lower than this. And yes, I am biased because we do use Swift a lot in our company. But Swift is the language that you would use for an iOS application or a Mac application or anything that's going to run on the iPad. And it's not only growing for those types of apps, but it's also starting to be used on the server side. And you'll see Apple really push Swift going forward over the next few years. And we're super excited to see what they do with it as well. So for 2021, we're going to keep that as our third top pick at Oak City Labs. So I hope this was helpful, and let us know what programming languages you would like to learn more about. Just leave a comment below. We'd also love to create content that you'd like to hear more about as you're going through your software project. So make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other tech tips.